everyone, welcome to my channel, and my name is Sanderstorm. Hello, nice to meet you. Shake my hands. Do you want a rose? Come take it. I hope you're having a nice day. Thank you for clicking to this video, and please keep smiling. Right now I want you to smile in 3, 2, 1, smile. Okay, so today I am going to be reacting to a suggested / recommended video to me by someone who is subscribed to my channel. So thank you to you, that person. Shout out to you. I forgot your name. I cannot even read your name because it's in Russian. So today I'm going to be reacting to Pelageya, I don't know, I forgot. And this is called Little Bird, and this is a Russian folk music. So I have never heard of any Russian folk music, but I've heard of folk music before, Filipino folk music. I'm from the Philippines, if you guys don't know. So yeah, let me just get my headphones and let me just get my snake, because I don't want my snake to be missing out the Russian folk. By the way, this is my snake. I sleep with my snake every night. His name is Andrew. Okay, so that was so dumb. I don't know why I did that, but I cannot wait to this. I don't know what to expect. All I know is that it's going to be in Russian, or maybe it's gonna be in English because it's called Little Bird. I don't know, but without further ado, I cannot wait for this. So let's now react to this. Okay, let's go. Woo! Okay guys, so let's now react to this, and let me just fix the video and wear my headphones on. And while I do this, guys, again, don't forget to check out my social media down below on the description box. I will have there my Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. You can follow me there if you want to. And also, I have started a Go Get Fund Me link down below on the description box. So if you want to help me, support me and my channel, it would really help me a lot. So you can just click the link. You can just click the link down below on the description box, and you can donate any amount of money you want. In advance, thank you to you. The video is now ready. Oh my god, I'm so excited. It looks like there's a lot of people, so I'm not gonna play the video. You guys ready? Yes, me too. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Here we go. Oh wow. This was back on 2015. Okay. Oh, there's a subtitle. A little bird was singing in a green garden. Okay. Oh. Is this in Moscow? She sounds so good. I love her voice. Her dress is so Russian. Yeah, this is definitely in Moscow. And milk cows, okay. Oh, the Russian flag. In the day I milk cows. Around dance around. I love the choreo. Wow, that looks so fun. But had cheap clothes. Okay, the song is getting sad now. I'm tearing up, honestly. I was a good girl. Very good, but had cheap clothes. What does your clothes gotta do with you? Oh my god. That's sad. Nobody wanted to marry because of it. Is this a feast? A fest? Music festival? Pray to God as well. That's a good choice. I love her cuticles. I'm tearing up. I really love the choreo. Yes, guys, God will make you happy. I love her voice, and there's a lot of people with a handsome young guy married. She is the little bird. Look, Russia is so beautiful. I love it. I want to visit there sometimes. Look at that. I love her Russian dress. It's so European and it's so Russian. Uplift yourself up. I wonder what this is. What's this event? Okay guys, that's it. Okay, that's it. I love it so much. The meaning of the song, the voice of her, she as a person, and the people dancing. It's so good. I just love it. It's so good, guys. It's so good. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. That's it for The Little Bird by Pelageya. I forgot the song. Oh god. I'm so sorry I had to yawn. That song was kind of like making me fall asleep because I love it. The beat, the voice is just so good. It's like a lullaby, but okay. The girl, I don't know who she is, but she's so pretty. I love her dress. It's so European, it's so Russian, like what I said. Her voice is so cool. It's so, oh my god, it's so soothing. I just don't know. It sounds very nice. It sounds lovely. She sounds so nice. Her voice is so smooth and soothing, and it's just I love to listen to that voice. I want to listen to her all the time. The song is called Little Bird. So I'm guessing the little bird is it's her, or it represents little girls or girls, okay, particularly girls. Okay, so the little bird is singing on the garden, so it's like, you know, a girl is like, you know, living her life, and then she's on her nest, her life, and then it's just so sad that the song, the lyrics of the song says, I'm a little girl, or like I'm a little bird, you know, in a nest, singing in the garden. I cuddle the children at night, and then I milk the cows in the morning. The little bird is a very, very good bird, or a very, very good girl, but she had a very cheap clothes, and because of that, no man, or let's just say no young handsome man, wants to marry that little bird or that little girl or that girl because she has a cheap clothes. Okay, that's the sad part. Like, what's the clothes gotta do with love? Okay, like, I understand that clothes is something that you need to have, but you don't need to have a very fashionable clothes. You don't need expensive clothes. Like this is not even expensive. And oh my god, it doesn't even make any sense. Like, that's just so dumb. Like, in love, you don't care about people's clothes. That's just a bonus, okay? Because fashion, style is just a bonus of someone's looks. If you really love someone, you're gonna go with their attributes, with their heart, with their mind, how kind they are. You don't care about those things. For me, clothes is just a bonus, you know, because it adds style and fashion to someone, to a person. If I love someone, I love them from who they are, not from what they wear, not from what they have. That's what's making me mad and sad, because what's the clothes gotta do? Cheap clothes or cheap or expensive clothes, I don't care, okay? And honestly, guys and girls, you don't need a pretty young girl to marry you. You don't need a pretty young boy to marry you. You don't need a handsome young boy to marry you, okay? Just, you gotta wait, okay? It's just gonna come for you. You don't have to rush things. It's gonna come for you, no matter how they looks, okay? Physical appearance is just another bonus. What you need to look for, what you need to find, is someone who's gonna love you forever, whether they're ugly or not. Because honestly, no one is ugly, honestly. It's just your preference that's making someone's ugly, because you want someone to have this kinds of physical appearance. So if someone doesn't have that type that you want, then you're gonna be like, oh, they're ugly. That's why someone becomes ugly, because they're out of your preference, okay? But the moral of this song is that, honestly, you don't need cheap clothes, you don't need expensive clothes to marry someone, okay? You just need to find someone who's gonna love you forever, and that's it. You don't need no money, you don't need none of that. It's just part of it, but that's not the majority of how you're gonna love someone. Because if you're gonna love someone from what they're wearing, or on how expensive or cheap it is, then you're a gold digger, honestly. You suck, okay? But yeah, that's it, guys. Also, guys, I forgot to mention, I would love to know what kind of event that is. Is that a music festival? Is that a Russian event? Is that a Russian holiday and someone is performing? I don't know what's happening. And also, I love the people who are dancing in the background. I love the choreography. It matches so well in the song. I love it so much. And yep, guys, that's really it. Okay, guys, so that's it for this video. If you love the performance of her, if you love this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, so you will see more of my future videos in the future, and probably more from her or more from them. I don't know if it's a band or she's a solo artist. But if you want me to react to a specific video, if you have any suggestions / recommendations for me to react onto, just comment down below and I will do it, I promise. Because this video is suggested to me and I did it because I read the comments. And yep, again, don't forget to check out my social media down below on the description box. I will have my Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. You can follow me there if you want to. And also, I have started a Go Get Fund Me link down below on the description box. So if you want to help me and my channel, support me and my channel, please feel free to donate any amount of money you want. And yep, advance thank you to you. If you're still watching right now, advance thank you, or I mean thank you right now. Keep smiling because you only live once, so you gotta live your life to the fullest, right? So yeah, have a nice day ahead. That's it, guys. Thunderstorms, no signing up, hey. A little bird is singing in a garden, singing in a garden. Okay, guys, you don't need cheap clothes, you don't need no expensive clothes to find love. You just need to find someone who's gonna love you forever, okay? That's it. Bye. Actually, that doesn't make any sense, but you know what I mean, okay? Bye.